Percy had been sent to the old castle. There had been reports of noise coming from it. Percy arrived and had a good look around. Just a disused castle. Nobody here. And off he went. The castle had been taken over by minions, and with no one around, they started partying. However, they were hungry and needed bananas. It was Halloween and they were going trick-or-treating, but needed a train to get them to the nearest village. Who would volunteer for such a mission? I might have known. Tom lost the prank engine. It could only be you. Off they set for the village. They arrived at the first house.
Trick or treat. Banana?
Peppa gave them a banana.
Yay!
But where to put it?
Idea. Wait.
Problem solved, and on to the second house.
Trick or treat. Yay!
Another banana. And so it went on, house after house, collecting bananas.
Trick or treat. Yay!
Then they arrived at a candy house and went up to the door.
Ooh.
A wicked witch answered.
Trick or treat. Banana?
Now take your pick, said the witch. She had the biggest banana the minions had ever seen.
Yay!
Naturally, minions being minions, took the biggest one. And then the smallest one as well. Enjoy, said the witch. The minions couldn't believe their luck and headed straight back to the castle.
Bananas! Bananas!
When they arrived, they unloaded their prize banana to show everyone. Then one of the minions just couldn't wait. He went to bite it and it exploded in his face, throwing banana and green gunge everywhere. The minions had certainly been tricked. Thanks for watching our video. Here's another you may have missed.
Princesses Sofia and Amber were busy making cookies. Queen Elsa and Princess Anna were coming around later and they wanted to treat them to some fresh cookies. Just as the cookies were put in the oven, the doorbell rang. Oh no! They're early, said Princess Sophia. I'll go and let them in. She went to the door and opened it. Trick or treat, said the witch. Oh, said Princess Sophia, I wasn't expecting you. I haven't got anything for you at the moment, but can you come back soon and I'll have a treat for you? Oh, they all say that, said the witch, who wasn't very pleased. I'll be back later then, and I'm sure you will want to see me. Princess Sophia looked confused and didn't notice that her nose had suddenly grown and turned green. The witch left and Princess Sophia went upstairs to change, completely unaware of what had happened to her nose. Princess Amber was still in the kitchen waiting for the cookies to finish baking when the doorbell rang. Oh no, the cookies aren't ready yet, she said to herself and went to answer the door. Oh, hello, can I help you? She said to the witch, unaware that the witch had already seen Princess Sophia. Trick or treat, said the witch. Can you call back a little later, said Princess Amber, and I'll have a treat ready for you. Oh, not again, said the witch. Oh, very well, I'll just make sure you do. And with that, Princess Amber's nose grew and turned green. The witch left and Princess Amber returned to the kitchen to check on the cookies. Meanwhile, Princess Sophia had got changed and came downstairs as Princess Amber was taking the cookies out of the oven. Something smells good, said Princess Sophia. The two princesses then turned and looked at each other. Whatever has happened to your nose, Amber? Said Princess Sophia. My nose, said Princess Amber. You're the one with the strange nose. They then realised that they had both got large green noses. Oh, I hope Queen Elsa gets here soon. She can help us get our noses back. The doorbell rang again. The princesses opened the door and this time it was Queen Elsa and Princess Anna. Oh, you didn't tell us it was fancy dress, said Queen Elsa looking at the princesses' noses. No, Queen Elsa, it's not fancy dress, said Princess Sophia, and she told Queen Elsa the whole story. Queen Elsa looked at the noses and said, fairy magic. I can't reverse fairy magic. You'll just have to give her a treat. Perhaps those fresh cookies. The doorbell rang again. Queen Elsa and Princess Anna hid while the princesses opened the door. Ah, fresh cookies! My favourite, said the witch. Please change our noses back, said the princesses. We were always going to give you a treat. And they handed over the cookies. Very well, said the witch, and the princesses' noses suddenly changed back to normal. Then there was a puff of fairy dust, and the witch disappeared. Back inside, Queen Elsa told the princesses that the witch was in fact the naughty pirate fairy Zarina, and they did well to escape her. Thank you for watching our video. To see more, please click on any of these clips. And if you haven't already subscribed, go on, do so now. See you soon!